So yo, what's up guys? Oh sorry, it's just dark
What's up?
here.
So what's up?
He subscribed his channel. So but his friends is back here.
Hey guys.
So the vlog is in here because the guys is in here. So guys, we are here. So but it's so wind here. So wind here, guys. So wind. I guess, can you bring my duct tape? So guys, it's so nighttime, but I don't know it's dark here. So but it's just going here. It's so wind. Get out of here in my quarters. It's so wind. My hype is going on. Okay guys, it's so wind here. I don't know we'll be going to collect him because it's raining today. Raining today. And we're not going outside. Keep going outside. Find your presents in here. That's what I'm going to sing it. So what's up guys? So but we are new member here, so my friend who's not here because it's a shit about here. So it's so wind in here. I'm like it. I love it. Okay guys, we are here. So we are here with this guys because it's not here. Oh, I'm so sorry. So my biscuit 30 subscribe his channel.
Subscribe na lang.
Wow. So but that's wow. So keeping it going. So guys, we are here because it's dark here because I don't know. So shut up, Codes. Shut up.
Samo tayo nag-vlog, agay, wabi na to para social distancing.
Wow.
Katawang lalakad.
Okay guys, it's so a little vlog.
And you are so ongo.
Ni hunghung ba? Ni hunghung. Hangin ka. Hunghung man siya. Yan na siya.
Okay guys, let's sing. So guys, let's watch it, subscribe, and turn notifications, and smash the like button. So let's go, road to the
Hala. Wow.
50 comments. I'm enjoying it. So thank you guys for watching.